Hi everyone, I'm Laura and today I'm going to introduce you to a whole new way of cooking by making a complete 3-part meal for my family using the Ninja Combi. My favorite function is the Combi meals function because I can cook my main and sides at the same time, making a complete meal that feeds my entire family in just 15 minutes, saving me so much time. Tonight is taco night at my house, so I'll be making beef tacos with rice and beans. I'm going to place the rice, black beans, cilantro, water, and canola oil in the Combi cooker pan. After mixing these ingredients around in the pan, I'm going to slide the pan right into level 1 of the Combi. Then I'm going to grab a large bowl to toss the peppers, onions, olive oil, oregano, salt, and pepper until everything is nicely combined. Once mixed, I'm going to place everything on one side only of the bake tray. Make sure to place the veggies on one side because you're going to need the other side for the beef. Then, using the bowl, I'm going to combine the beef and the taco seasoning. Once the seasoning is mixed evenly, I'm going to place the beef on the other side of the bake tray and slide the tray into level 2. Now it's time to program the Combi. After powering the Combi on, I'm first going to flip the smart switch up to Combi cooker mode if it isn't already set. Toggling the smart switch to Combi cooker mode unlocks the Combi meals function, which is the best for those quick 3-part meals. Once the smart switch is flipped, I'm going to select the Combi meals, set the temperature to 300 degrees, and set the time to 10 minutes. Once it's set, press the start-stop button to begin cooking. Once the cooking is complete, I'm just going to transfer the beef and drippings into a larger bowl and stir it all together until it crumbles. Then I'm going to add the lime juice to the rice for some flavor, and there you have it. The tacos are hot and they're ready to serve. Making this recipe was so easy, and I love how I can cook every ingredient all in one pot, so I don't have to have multiple appliances or pots and pans. This makes the cleanup process so much easier. Make sure to check out the quick start guide that's included with your Ninja Combi, or visit ninjakitchen.com for tips and other delicious and easy recipes. Enjoy!